So if you want to build a tribe, if you want to build a following, then you need to check out Andrew Cruzy's Group Growth and Monetization Blueprint. This course will not only show you how to drive traffic and how to get people into your Facebook group, how to set up your Facebook group, but will also teach you how to monetize your Facebook group. I mean, Andrew has obviously made what, about probably over $1 million now just by using Facebook group alone, without even using any Facebook ads. He hadn't used any ads, no Google ads, no Facebook ads, nothing like that. He's done it all organically, and he will teach you how to do the same. And also, he will actually teach you step by step how you can actually grow your group without having to, run ads. He'll teach you how to not only build people in your group or put people in your group. He'll also teach you how to choose the right people, how to get the right people in your group, and how to monetize your group. And not only does he just talk about driving traffic, but he also has a philosophy behind how you can actually sell high ticket coaching calls. So if you have the inclination and if you have the desire to become a coach or even just to start your own Facebook group, you need to check out this program. I know as far as what he's done for my group is actually just giving me a direction for my group. He's allowing me to actually strategically figure out how to choose different people to be in my group, because everybody is not meant to be in your group. Obviously, you have a specific niche, you have a specific person that you want to talk to and speak to and actually want in your group. So obviously he will teach you about all that. And then even if you do not have that, he'll actually give you the tips and the understanding of how you can do that. He'll teach you how to develop a course. If you ever had any desire to develop a course, or if you wanted to develop a course, he'll actually teach you how to do that. He'll teach you the steps in everything that he does when he actually has a course. So he can actually show you how you can start from a course and go to a coaching program. And actually, he'll pretty much, what he does is he gives you a whole business just based around Facebook groups. So if you want to utilize Facebook and Facebook groups to start a business and to grow your existing business, then you need to check out this program, Group Growth and Monetization Blueprint. So go check it out, and I guarantee you, you will not be disappointed. I know I wasn't disappointed.